Tired of wasting time designing flowcharts and diagrams manually? Meet AI Diagram Maker, your instant visual thinking assistant. Just type your idea and watch it transform into stunning flowcharts, ERD diagrams, or UML diagrams in seconds. No design skills, no hassle, just pure creativity powered by AI. First, go to Google and search for AI Diagram Maker. Then click the very first link. You'll also find the link in the video description. This is the homepage of AI Diagram Maker, an AI-powered diagram generation tool. Here you can simply describe your idea, and the tool will generate a diagram tailored to your needs. You can further refine your diagram until it fits your requirements perfectly. AI Diagram Maker offers a conversational approach to diagram creation, making it ideal for modern development workflows. Just describe your idea, and AI Diagram Maker will create a beautiful, professional diagram for you. Stop wasting time with traditional diagramming tools. Normally, you'd have to start with a blank canvas, learn a complex interface, choose the right shapes and arrows, drag and drop lines, and spend ages tweaking everything to perfection. If you need to redo a diagram after changes, you often have to rearrange everything, which can take over 30 minutes. With AI Diagram Maker, the process is much simpler. Just have a conversation with the tool, and it will generate your diagram in about 20 seconds. You can easily make changes. Just describe what you want, and the tool will update your diagram instantly. AI Diagram Maker is better than traditional tools because you can generate professional diagrams just by describing your ideas. It offers powerful features like automatic layout and styling, creation from attachments, quick export in multiple formats, code editing, and revision history. Here are some examples of professional diagrams created with AI Diagram Maker. You can see the quality and detail. These diagrams look impressive and are ready for use. To get started, go to the top of the page and click Start Diagramming. Once you're on the AI Diagram Maker board, you'll see a space to describe your diagram idea and options to generate diagrams from attachments. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see the diagrams you can generate. Let's try an example. I'll describe a flowchart for a login process. Flowchart for login process. User enters username and password. System verifies credentials. If correct, go to dashboard. If incorrect, show invalid username or password error and stay on login page. Clean, modern design with arrows and icons. After pressing enter, AI Diagram Maker will analyze your description and generate the diagram. Be patient while it processes. Once ready, you'll see key elements like start and end points, user actions, system processes, decision points, a green line for the success path, and a red line for errors. Error handling is highlighted in a light pink rectangle. On the canvas, you'll see the user login process with authentication flow and error handling. The user enters their details and submits them. The system verifies the credentials against the database. If the credentials are correct, the user is taken to the dashboard and the login is complete. If not, a red line shows the error and the user stays on the login page. This is the power of AI Diagram Maker. You can create complex diagrams just by describing your idea. Forget about traditional methods. If you need to make changes, simply update your description. You can also switch to code mode to view and copy the code for your diagram as needed. Now we will edit the flowchart. Let's describe that we want to change the flowchart into a sequence diagram. It takes a few seconds. Once the sequence diagram is ready, we can see how easily we can edit our diagram with the AI Diagram Maker. Downloading your diagram is easy. Just click Export Diagram. You can export as SVG or PNG. For this demonstration, let's export as PNG. You can select the aspect ratio that best fits your needs. Once the download is complete, open the file to see the diagram you created with AI Diagram Maker. It's amazing how effortlessly you can create diagrams by just describing your idea, and the tool generates it in seconds. Let's create another diagram. Click New Diagram, and in the prompt area, describe your next diagram. Create a professional network diagram of a school connecting to the internet, including all components: internet cloud icon, router, fiber connection to the school network, computer labs, teacher PCs, admin office, Wi-Fi access points. Show a connection from the firewall to a data center with servers, storage, and backup systems. Use blue and gray colors for connections and clear labels for each device. Press Enter and AI Diagram Maker will analyze your idea and generate a professional school network diagram. Once it's ready, you'll see a clear, detailed diagram that you can easily implement in your school. With AI Diagram Maker, you no longer need to waste time on traditional diagramming tools and techniques. Just describe your idea and let the tool do the rest. Try out this amazing tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for more updates about AI tool.